Okay, guys, this is part 2 of my recent pickups here at Myers this morning. I had to plug my phone in, so now I gotta move some stuff so I can reach around here. Alright. Okay, guys, let's get some good pinks here. Too bad they don't put any autos in these pinks. That would be nice. Yeah, they don't put no autos or no parallels or nothing good in here other than a security thing. Okay, oops. Alright, let's go. What we got here? Bryce Wilson. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Right off the bat, you guys. Fire. Fire. I gotta stop and sleep that real quick. I'm sorry. Oh, that is awesome. Cool. First pack mojo. I'm so tired of KMC. Okay, cool. Look at that. Pete Alonzi. I'm gonna go with the McNeil Prism. And the Kyle Wright Blue. The Tatis. That's so far. I thought, I don't know why I was thinking these are only like 2 cards in a pack. Alright. Tajuan Walker. Byron Buxton. Starlin Castro. Colby Allard. And Alberto Mondesi. I'm gonna have to cut this video short. The grandbaby's waking up. They're about to come out here. Brian Bundy, and Jolte Simmons, Orlando Arcia, Jorge Polanco, and Matt Chapman. Yeah, I gotta get my card dungeon set up still. Had a flood down there, so I gotta do a lot of work before I can start doing things down there. Danny Jansen, Brandon Crawford, Kevin Newman, Louis Tim Dietz. At least I got an allowance, so that made my day. That made all the packs worth it. And that Tatis. Nathan. That'll probably be it. I was lucky to get that at least. I'm happy with that. Andujar, Kershaw, Tim Anderson. Back felt weird. Sorry. Alright. There. Soskins, Walker Buehler, Harvest Bears. Okay, that's it for that. With these Fat Packs Series 2. This is probably where the real fire is. I always separate the rookies out, guys. I don't know if you do. And then I team bag them. So that way they're stay in good shape. Oh, there's a blue. Wrong person, though. CC Sabathia. Father's Day. Blue. With a little ding on the corner. Tony Glenn. Luke Voigt. Just making sure it's not SP. Nothing. All right. Fletcher. I forgot. I stopped taking rookies out probably too. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Mm-hmm. 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 There's a rookie. There's a gold. Jeffrey Ramirez. Kikuchi Rainbow. There's that. There's that. There's this McCutcheon's regular. Okay. Rookie. I always go through them. I gotta make a set of these updates here anyways. I've bought in so many. I probably have a few sets, hopefully. But yeah, so I'll definitely make a set this weekend, I think, if I have some free time. I had to work today, last night, so I put in 48 hours. It's enough for my old butt. Alright, mouse draw. Yeah, I'll put him down there. Who's that? Joe Ross. And come on, I'm hoping for an Alonso. If I can get an Alonso out of this, I'll be happy because I haven't pulled too many of them. To tell you the truth, out of Series 2. So I hope I can pull at least an Alonso. I mean, I have 3 of them, I think. I should have like 20 of them for as much stuff as I open. Come on. Yeah. Oh, damn. Fucking home run crap. There's a Tatis, that's cool. I collect him, but I don't really collect his. There's a Tatis, that's awesome. Catfish on there. There's a Bellinger, that's cool. What was it? No. Good card was there. Barry Larkin, duh. Yeah, SP right there. Forgot that. Look, I'm so tired. Come on, Alonso, please. I want an Alonso. I only got one more pack. Bellinger, keep it over there. I don't really do anything unless they're rookies. Come on, let there be a Pete Alonso gold in here. Please, for love of mankind. Hey, security, get out of here. Come on. Hold them out, because, you know, if you get the same cards. Damn it. Damn it. Who's this fucking Joker? Fucking crap. Who's this fucking Joker? Well, sorry guys, nothing. Come on, out there being Alonso in here. Save the day for me, please. Nope, same freaking pack as the last one. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright guys, love the hobby. Sorry I'm tired. Bye, that's all I got for you today.